Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw a cow. Let's start by drawing the cow's head. On the right-hand side of your page, quite close to the top, we're going to draw a small standing up rectangle with curvy corners. Are you ready? Draw a line across the top, curve around the corner, down the side of the head, then curve around the corner, across the bottom, curve around the corner and back up to where you started. Just where your curve starts to straighten at the bottom of the head, draw up and over the rainbow to show the cow's nose. A line across the bottom for its mouth and 2 dots for its nostrils. About halfway down the head, draw a dot on each side for the eyes. We'll draw the ears in a minute. Let's draw the body next. And this is a huge lying down rectangle. From this top corner, draw a straight line across the cow's back. And when you get to about here, just draw up slightly. Then straight down the shorter side of the body, along the cow's belly, until you get to about here, just before you're underneath the head. Then curve around and slope up slightly to end the line just to the left-hand side of the cow's chin. Cows have an interesting shaped ear. They're almost like diamonds with a curvy top. And they start just above the eyes, so quite low down. Let's try that together. Curve over the rainbow, then draw down to a point and back up to finish just below where you started. Do the same on the other side. Curve over the rainbow, down to a point and back into the side of the head. Cows have 4 legs, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. Let's draw the front ones first. Just at the top of this curve, draw straight down, across the bottom and back up. Cows have cloven hooves, which means they have a split up the middle, so it looks like they've got 2 toes. The other front leg needs to be a tiny bit longer, so it looks like it's closer to us. Let's make a back leg on the corner, which is the same length as this one, and the one next door should be slightly shorter, as it's on the other side of the cow's body. A cow's tail looks a bit like a rope with a tassel on the end. Starting on the top back corner, draw a straight line down, back up, making it very thin, so you can colour it later. Then you can scribble a little hairy, tufty, tassel-y bit on the bottom. They also have some hair on top of their head. You can do a kind of scribbly, curly line, or it might be straight. Some cows have horns. If you want to add horns to your cow, start in the middle of the head and draw out to the side and then up to a point and then follow that line back to the head. Let's do one on the other side too. You can make them as big or as small as you like. Female cows have udders. This is where their milk is produced and where their babies can suckle. They're usually a pinky colour and they dangle down between their back legs. Find this corner of your back leg and then draw a rainbow up and over so you end up with a small semicircle. Cows have 4 teats on their udders, so let's use some upside down, thin, long rainbows for these. Start on one corner and draw down and under the rainbow and back up. Another one. Let's put one in the middle of that leg and one on the end of the semicircle. Cows come in lots of different colours. Some of them are black and white, some of them are brown, some of them are just black. Some of them have long brown hair and really huge horns. Maybe you could do some research to find out what kinds of cows there are and what you want to turn yours into.